Hello viewer, we will take a pen tool design to generate a random shape here. Let's add a paint by selection of the color. I will find the different options there. We have to use a design, explore the changes. So we will try to make another design. So there we are, make the changes there.